how to connect Instagram to Meta Business Suite. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you will be able to connect your Instagram account to your Meta Business Suite so that you could also manage it through this section as well. Now, all you need to do is you're going to have to click on the settings option over here on the bottom left, and you're simply going to select on the business asset option over here from all of these options over here so that you wouldn't be confused. Go with the second option. And then after that, you're going to click on add assets in this section over here. When you click on add asset, you will be able to see here Instagram account. All you need to do is select that, agree to the terms and conditions, claim Instagram account, and you will be able to connect your Instagram account through this method over here. And after connecting your Instagram account, you can now manage your Instagram account as well in Meta Business Suite. You could upload posts, you could use the planner, you could have an inbox over here that will automatically reply to any messages to your Instagram account. And that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something and leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.